How to uninstall apps on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. Android provides several options to uninstall apps from your device. So the first one is hold on the apps that you want delete. Then you will see these options. Click on uninstall. You can also drag the app towards the top of your screen to uninstall it. To do this, hold on the app for a few seconds and drag it towards the top of your screen. After doing this, you will be able to see uninstall icon. Click on that and then you will be successfully able to uninstall app on your device. Another method to uninstall app is open your setting app, scroll down to apps and then click on it. Now click on manage apps. Here you can see the list of apps that is available on your device. So simply click on any app that you want to uninstall. Here I will be opening this one. Now on the bottom middle of your screen you can see uninstall icon. Click on that and then click on OK. By doing this you will be successfully able to uninstall app on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.